Stop thinking of tires as just rubber. Start seeing them as the backbone of the automotive revolution. Here's why. In 2024, the automotive tire market is racing past USD 144 billion, with some estimates pushing it to USD 150 billion or more. Growth, we're talking a steady 4 to 6% CAGR up to 2034, thanks to rising vehicle ownership, surging demand for replacements, and the EV boom. Smart tires, low-noise compounds, and specialty designs are setting new benchmarks. Asia-Pacific dominates, holding over 40% market share, powered by mega markets like China and India. Europe's push for EVs and high aftermarket demand keep it strong. North America is seeing a luxury and specialty tire surge, while Latin America and Africa are catching up fast on infrastructure growth. Tires aren't just a commodity, they're an innovation hotspot, gripping the road to the future. Visit our website, www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.